cosmetics industry created the concept of beauty and go on maintaining it continuously by that idiotic beauty contest. I tell you, I'm defining you the beauty. Beauty is the feeling you carry when somebody appreciates you. Please understand. I'm defining in the mundane level, not in the spiritual level. I'm defining in the mundane level. Beauty is the feeling you carry when somebody appreciates you. Means if somebody says, "Oh, you look great," then the feeling you carry is beauty for you. And same way, when you make somebody else to have that same feeling about them, in them, it is beauty for that person. Please understand. Beauty idea, the concept of beauty is nothing but give and take. You scratch my back, I scratch your back. You say I am beautiful, I will say you are beautiful. That's all. There is no such thing as standard scale. But this cosmetics industry creates the concept of beauty and keeps it alive continuously. What is actually beauty? Nothing. Just the ideas promoted widely. That's all. There's nothing else called beauty. Even if somebody is so beautiful, all right, you are lost in that person. You can't drink one cup of tea through that mouth. Don't you understand? You can't drink even one cup of tea through that mouth. What is beauty? It is just the concept you create. Just like how the cosmetics industry keeps the disease that you are ugly alive by doing the beauty contest. Same way, the mental health care industry keeps the idea that if you are stressed, you will be sick, alive, to keep their industry alive. And politicians keep the idea that you are weak so that they can be alive. Enlightened being is the only person who breaks the idea that you are unenlightened, and in that way he keeps himself alive. Understand? An enlightened being never keeps himself alive by saying you can't be enlightened. Constantly he says you are already enlightened. Through that way he keeps himself alive. Let you all achieve, experience, live, express, radiate, share and explode in eternal bliss. Nityananda.
Nityananda Dhyanapitham, Nityananda Nagar off Mysore Road, Bidadi, Bangalore 562109. Contact 097422033111. www.nityananda.org. www.youtube.com/Life Bliss Foundation.